Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you something incredibly useful, and it's how to make your scripts sleep and wake up every X seconds, X minute, X hours or whatever. So this video is part of the Algo Trading playlist. If you are interested by this subject, don't hesitate to look at it. It's on my YouTube channel, of course. And this video is really useful for algo trading actually because you want to call your bots only when it's a certain minute. For instance, if you use a 30-minute time frame, you want to wake your bot up only when the minute is 0 or 30. So in order to illustrate this, I will create while true, and then I will initialize a variable in which I will stock datetime.now. So the time we have right now, the current time. And I will create an if statement. So if now dot seconds for the needs of the video, but of course you can do the same with minutes, hours, or whatsoever. So if now dot seconds, and here percentage 15 equals 0. So what does that mean? It means if the seconds divided by 15 equal 0, so if there is no rest, so if this statement is okay, I will basically print now, so you will see, and I will time.sleep for 1 second. And why do I do this? Because here, if the statement isn't right, I will sleep for 0.01 second, and you will see that it will be extremely precise because it will ask every 10 milliseconds the time, and it will check every 10 milliseconds. So of course, instead of print now, you will have your function for your bot, your activation function, I don't know whatsoever. So if I run this, you will see that every 15 seconds I will have the time that it will be printed. So let's wait. Yeah, you see here. So the seconds here are 45.008. So as you can see, it's extremely precise. So as you can see here, it works perfectly. 45, 00, 15, 30, 45, 00, and so on. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sure this will be really useful because this is really robust. This is like KISS, keep it short and simple. And yeah, I'm saying you bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.